8.6 solving equations with radicals. Learning objectives. Solve radical equations having more square roots radicals. Identify equations with no solutions. Solve equation by squaring binomial. Solve problem using formulas that involves radicals. Vocabulary. Radical equation. Extraneous solution. What's mean extraneous solution? Okay. Equation means what? Radical. Okay. So you have to find the answer in the 1 and 2. Let's take some examples. Okay, here is giving you a triangle. It's a right triangle. Why? Because it's 90 degrees. So what's in front of the 90 degrees? What is called hypotenuse, right? And where is the leg? On the left side and the right side. He said this is A, this is B, and this is what? C. How much is A? 2. So the formula is C square equal A square plus B square. How much is A square? How much is B square? 9 plus 4. Then you have to take the square root of 30. So C is equal how much? Square root of 30. Is this clear? Okay, let's do B. Here I have A, B, and C. How much is A? We know that C square equal what? A square plus B square. How much is C square? 8, correct? How much is B square? So how much is A square? Move the 8 to the 3 to the other side, correct? What are you going to get? 5. And since this is square root, so you take the square root for both sides, so your answer is what? Square root of 5. Is this clear? Clear or not clear? Clear. Okay. Let's take one example and then we take a break after that. So here we have to take what? We're going to have to take the square root of this, right? 8 minus 3, how much? How much is 8 minus 3? 5. If you want to take A, you have to take the square root for both sides, right? So your answer will be what? Square root of what? 5. Next, I need to repeat after me. To get rid of the square root, square it. To get rid of the square root, square it. Repeat after me. To get rid of the square root, square it. So what's the answer? To get rid of the square root, square it. So what's the answer? So y equal what? 33.
1 plus 9.
Yeah, you subtract. To get rid of the square root, you square it. So you're gonna get 10x minus 9 equal what? 81. Move the 9 to the other side, it become what? 90. So 10x equal 90. So x equal how much? 9. Is this clear? One more. Let's take hard one. This one I like. To get rid of the square root, you square it. So this become what? X plus 21. And this one, it's like two parentheses, right? So x, square root of x times square root of x, x. Square root of x times 3, 3 square root of x. And you have to do this again. 3 square root of, I'm sorry, this is x here. And this become what? 9. So this together give you how much? Clear or not clear? And don't forget the x plus 9 equal what? X plus 21. Keep the x's, keep the numbers together and the x's together, okay? So x minus x, okay, 6 square root of x plus 9 plus minus what? Or I can move the 9 to the other side. It's better to move the 9 to the other side, okay? Let's move the 9 to the other side. Okay, so become 2 minus what? So 2 minus 9 equal what? 6 square root of x. What to do next? Divide by what? So you get square root of x equal what? Negative 7 over square root of x. To get rid of the square root, square both sides. So your final answer will be what? 49 over 36. Let's do another one. We don't have another one. We have word problem. So I'll just skip the word problem. Let's do G together. To get rid of the square root, what do we do? Square. So you get y plus 9 equal what? Y squared plus 6y plus 9. Move everything together, so you get y squared plus 6y minus y plus 9 minus 9 equal what? 0. Okay, this together combine, you get what? 5. 5 what? And don't forget y squared. Take y as common. What's left? Y plus 5 equals 0. So you have two solutions. Either y equals 0 or y equal what? Negative 5. Yalla, copy this one because we finished with that section. Yalla, copy that one, please.